I'm yelling timber.
Do you care about animals? Well, many animals are impacted by disturbance in the ecosystem. And this disturbance is deforestation in rainforest, which is rapidly occurring. If we don't make a change now, in the next 100 years, there can be no rainforest left. So now is the time for change. So why are the rainforests being cut down? The main reason is because of the agricultural industry. Farmers are cutting down forests for their own financial benefit. They are trying to create room to grow their crops and also raise their livestock. Some of the most detrimental agricultural processes is known as slash and burn, which is a type of deforestation in which people cut down and burn the forest. Another major contribution is logging operations, which are used for the world's paper and/or wood products. So next time you use a paper or a pen, think of the trees you're destroying.
According to forestathics.org, paper production is the third most energy intensive of all manufacturing industries, using over 12% of all energy in the industrial sector. The paper and pulp industry is also the fourth largest emitter of greenhouse gases in the manufacturing sector. Though paper recovery rates in the U.S. have increased in recent years, paper still represents one of the biggest components of solid waste in landfills, 26 million tons, or 16% of landfill solid waste in 2009. When paper decomposes in a landfill, it releases methane, a greenhouse gas 23 times more potent than carbon dioxide.
So how does deforestation in the Amazon rainforest affect the animals that live in the ecosystem? Let's talk to people and see what their favorite animals are and if they're affected or not by the deforestation that occurs.
What's your favorite animal?
The jaguar.
What about anteaters?
I love them too.
What's your favorite animal?
Jaguar.
Jake, a huge factor.
Jake, what's your favorite animal in the rainforest?
I like jaguars.
Believe it or not, the deforestation in the Amazon rainforest has the largest effect on animals such as jaguars, sloths, and anteaters. These animals thrive off of many different kinds of trees and forests in the Amazon. The World Wildlife Fund says that degradation of the jaguar's habitat and decrease in its prey are thought to have reduced the species population to less than 50,000 mature breeding individuals in the wild. Did you know that sloths spend the majority of their lives in trees? This is the reason why deforestation greatly affects them. Without trees, their habitat and homes are taken away. Species of sloths such as the brown-throated three-toed sloth is threatened by deforestation, habitat fragmentation, and human encroachment. When deforestation occurs in any ecosystem, especially the Amazon rainforest, it not only affects the animals that we talked about before, it affects different factors of the ecosystem, such as water, sunlight, soil, and temperature, and more. When these factors are affected, it impacts the whole ecosystem and animals in it due to loss of habitat, water sources, and food sources. This may be the cause for a huge decline in a certain population and possibly even extinction of one.
Do you care about animals in the rainforest?
Yes.
Do you care about animals in the rainforest?
Yes.
Excuse me, do you care about animals in the rainforest?
Yeah.
Do you care about animals in the rainforest?
Yes, I do. I care about all animals.
Do you care about animals in the rainforest?
Of course I care about animals in the rainforest.
Many things are being done in order to prevent deforestation in the rainforest. There are many organizations planting trees all around the Amazon rainforest, so for every tree that's cut down, they're planting 2 more to have more grow up in their place. Also, companies are starting to go against the logging industry, which will set an example for other companies to stop, which will be a chain of people stopping deforestation. Many other things can be done and are being done, such as consumers refusing to buy certain products that use trees cut down from the Amazon rainforest.
So save the jaguars!
Follow me on Twitter at can'treadme.
The deforestation.
Monkeys!
I have a cat. We didn't talk about
Monkeys!
Okay, thanks. Emily, we are excuse me. Do you care about animals in the rainforest?
No.
It's for my bio video.
Oh, okay.
Get in this video.
What is deforestation? Deforestation is a very, very, very bad thing in the United States, and it impacts animals.
Not in the United States.
Bang bang.